fame, nigga. For you scary niggas that don't have no juice. The jug, nigga, I carry is full of juice. I finesse, cause you fucking can't. You just a baby bird, still in your fucking nest. Oh, the juice, nigga. Yes, finesse. Oh yeah, I got the juice, nigga. Let me pour you a cup. Fill it up to the tippy top. Y'all niggas know this can't fucking stop. I juice it off, yeah, squeeze it on your forehead. You niggas still couldn't get ahead, silly nigga. Ooh, pilly, I peel you off your face, cause you looking kinda scary, nigga. And that's why I peel it for you to lose the fear. And then you start seeing what's fucking near. It's God cause he's everywhere, nigga. Missing screwed, that's cause you been lied to. Fucking stupid fool. You motherfuckers, I splash it down in the pool. It's full of that juice, nigga. I finesse. You not ready to drip, nigga, like Jesus. That's why, nigga, you just a stupid fool. A coward when you coughing on these nuts, nigga. I enjoy because I just bust, nigga. With laughter, with joy, yeah, she's so beautiful. So honest, simple, nigga. Not complicated like your mind is, cause you is lost in the labyrinth. Amazed, nigga. Not amazing. I got them females, so yes, they all circle around me. I manage myself with Amazons. Y'all bitches, yes, y'all bitches, so beautiful. So y'all are so riches. Oh, yes, delicious when you let me eat that fruitful pie, bitch. Yes, serve it up. No juice, no finesse, nigga. That's what that juice would do when you have it in a cup, nigga. Pimp cup, that's why they walk around with that gold shine. That cup is filled with juice, no styrofoam fake. Y'all niggas know I'll make you break. Oh, you can't take white flag you waving. That's not the light, silly nigga. That juice I got. No OJ. You niggas ain't ready for that orange. I'll put you in orange, keep fucking with me, nigga. That's the trouble, jail cell you in, nigga. Corroborate, I'll be correct, you nigga. Don't fuck with me, nigga. Yes, be awesome, sir. Oh yeah, you niggas think I need a gun and a badge. No. Y'all niggas know I'm so bad, that's all it takes, nigga. Super bad. No, Michael, it's fucking Mitchell. Archangel, nigga. No wings been clipped for not obeying my fucking father. Now you know who my daddy is, nigga. Obey, no juice for you. Not pouring you a cup, cause you steady won't be stupid. Not worthy, nigga. No trustworthy, you fucking treason against God. That equals death in my fucking book. You a quick stop stealing, nigga. Asking I'll let you borrow it, just bring it back. OJ Juice, nigga, feeling up murdering. No gloves on this time. This nigga was scary. Wasn't him at all. You fucking know that, so why we keep on talking about it? I told you, nigga, I finesse pop collars, nigga.